and welcome to my channel. This is Eleni and today I'm going to show you some older journals that I made a while ago. The first one is an altered Greek history book and you can see how I left some of the pictures from the book peeking through my art. The cover and some of the spreads in these journals you can find as process videos here on my YouTube channel under the playlist Journal Pages. I'll give you the link in the description box below. You may also see the numbers I gave some of the pages, and that is for you to choose one or two girls that you would like a sketch of and let me know in the comments below. That way I'll see which girl most of you prefer and I'll make you a free printable sketch of that girl that you can download, print and use as you like. You'll have until I post my next video to decide, that is in 1 or 2 weeks. These are two other altered journals I did in 2015 and 16. This one I had a lot of fun with. It was for a monthly art challenge called Pick a Stick Challenge, and you can find all the process videos for these pages in the link I will give you below. This is one where I played with mostly collage, but also stencils and stuff. And I'm sharing all these old journals with you because I'm not a professional artist. I'm like most of you, just a creative person having fun. So for all of you that doubt yourselves, I want you to see how I have been able to improve my art skills by daily practice and persistence. I have not been painting all my life. I just started some years ago by watching YouTube tutorials. So if I can do it, all of you can also do it. All you need is practice, practice, and more practice. Hope you enjoyed my flip-throughs and don't forget to leave me a comment below letting me know which girl you want a free printable sketch of. Thank you for being here and don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, but also click the bell beside the subscribe button because this way you will be notified about my new videos. See you soon, love and kisses!